Hey everyone, have you ever seen a Pinterest video and wanted to save it on your phone or desktop? Today, we will show you how to download videos from Pinterest quickly and easily. Now, let's get started. A Pinterest video downloader is a third-party tool, an app or a website that lets us save videos, GIFs, and images from Pinterest directly to our devices for offline viewing. These tools usually need us to copy a Pinterest video link and paste it into the tool to download the content in high quality. The main reason for downloading Pinterest videos is to save content for offline viewing, inspiration, or reference later. Whether it's a tutorial, recipe, or creative idea, we don't have to skip our favorite content. We can access it anytime. Just remember to use the content responsibly and always give proper credit when needed. Now, let's follow these steps together to download videos from Pinterest the easiest way. So even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your browser. Go to www.pinterest.com and search for the videos you want. For example, search for spot videos with your phone. If you want to download one of these videos, just pick the video you like. Click the share button and copy the link. Now, open a new tab and go to www.pinterestdownloader.io. Paste the link you copied into the box. Click on Paste and then Download. Once it loads, you can choose the format you want: MP4, JPG, 236p, 564p, or 236p again. Since we want to download this as a video, just click Download MP4. Another way to download your video is by using extensions. You can find these by going to Manage Extensions and then to the Chrome Web Store. After that, type in Video Downloader Professional. Not the first one, but the correct extension. This extension helps us download videos from Pinterest by just copying the link and pasting it. We just have to add this to Chrome and use it as an extension for downloading videos. When it's done, the video is now on your desktop. It's saved, and we can watch it anytime we want. And that's how we download videos from Pinterest. Simple, fast, and super helpful.